We have completed 2,143 kilometers of road. With the clearance of pending bills, 6,000 kilometers of new roads or stalled roads, which are stalled, 6,000 kilometers are now being built across the country. And Your Excellency, as I travel around this country, I really get impressed. Some of the areas where citizens had given up hope on tarmac roads, I have seen those roads with my own eyes. Niseme nisiseme. From Mandera to Ramu, to Kitoka Lamu, Gare, from Gare, Elwak, Kobo, Kotulo, Tarbaj, Wajia, Samata, Modogashe, Garbatura, Kulamawe, Isiolo. 750 kilometers of a road under this administration for the first time in northern Kenya. 750 kilometers. The largest, the longest single road project ever to be initiated in the Republic of Kenya. Karibu niulize Rais Ruto ni fire si fire. But since this is a formal meeting, sitauliza. There is another road which had been approved to be graveled, but President Ruto changed the instructions and said it should be tarmacked from Lamu Port to Ijara to Garissa all the way to Isiolo, 421 kilometers. It's being tarmacked as we speak. Over 50% of that road is now being done, has been done. I have seen roads which have been forgotten, like Taveta, Chala, Jukini, Olerai, Rombo, Ilasit. It's now okay. It's almost work in progress. I've seen the dwelling of Changamwe, Mariakani. I've seen the dwelling of Mtwapa to Kilifi, going into Malindi. It's ongoing. And the flagship one, Rironi, Mau Summit, which is being worked on as we speak. So there's a lot of